Start and scale your e-commerce business. Jungle Scout's essential data and tools help you win on Amazon and beyond. We have solutions for all types of sellers. I am here to start selling on Amazon. _forward. Grow my existing business. _forward. Explore brand and retailer solutions. _forward. Jungle Scout powers e-commerce. Data is at the heart of Jungle Scout. From product research to powerful market intelligence, our tools give you critical insights for e-commerce success. Start selling. Find a winning product and launch your Amazon business. _forward. Grow your business. Take your business to new heights with tools that make it easier to drive sales. _forward. Accelerate enterprise growth. Maximize your Amazon revenue with market insights and advertising tools built for managing the world's largest brands. _forward. New to selling on Amazon? You're in the right place. $1 Million Case Study. Follow along in this video series as the Jungle Scout team launches a real private label product on Amazon. How to sell on Amazon 2023. Learn to launch your own private label FBA business with our in-depth, step-by-step guide. You need to learn first before you jump into FBA. Jungle Scout offers those tools and education that you need. Mauricia Magana, founder and CEO of LITTIL. Read their success story. Chevron_right. Ready to get started? Make your selling journey easier with Jungle Scout's helpful tools and tips. Save time managing your business so you can focus on taking it to the next level. Build and grow your e-commerce business. Try Jungle Scout risk-free for 7 days with our money-back guarantee. Start today. Dominate your segment and maximize your margins. Discover Jungle Scout solutions built exclusively for brands and agencies. Request a demo. What sellers are saying. We support more than 600,000 entrepreneurs and major brands worldwide. Read what they have to say about us. Jungle Scout has been extremely impactful and something that we couldn't operate without. Code 3. I love review automation. I started using Jungle Scout's review automation in January with 335 reviews. 7 months later, I currently have over 2,000 reviews. Kim M. Click and carry. I would recommend Cobalt to any agency. It paints a picture of what's really going on inside Amazon that you can't get anywhere else. Cartograph. The reporting that used to take up 20 hours of my week now only takes 1. Calliers. If you're selling on Amazon or about to start searching for your product, Jungle Scout is an absolute must. It truly is the most user-friendly and useful tool for Amazon sellers. Tatiana James. The #1 Amazon FBA tool out there. Without Jungle Scout, it would have been impossible to start and grow my Amazon FBA business. This is the only tool you need to be successful. Dan Vass. Jungle Scout not only provides accurate market data, but it's also a complete tool suite that is easy to use for both beginners and advanced Amazon sellers. Crescent Cow. Jungle Scout is irreplaceable when researching and trying to understand the market for your product. The sales and tracking tools and educational resources make my work world easier, and my selections educated. Jungle Scout surveyed 3,500 entrepreneurs, brands, and businesses to find out how they are overcoming challenges, diversifying their strategies, and charting their path to e-commerce success in 2020. Jungle Scout was built by sellers, for sellers. Our mission is to provide entrepreneurs and brands with the resources and data they need to build successful businesses on Amazon and beyond. 600,000 plus sellers supported by Jungle Scout. $50 billion in assisted Amazon sales annually. It all started with one seller. Learn how Jungle Scout grew into the leading all-in-one e-commerce platform. Learn more about how Jungle Scout got its start and grew to become a leading all-in-one e-commerce platform.